Okay, so I can go now, right? I can proceed.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, yeah, 3 logic gate and or not is over. Now I'm going for universal logic gates. So NAND logic gate and NOR logic gate, both the logic gates are called as universal logic gates. Reason is, so if using only NAND gates or using only NOR gates, so you can create whatever you want. Okay, so that is the reason NAND alone is universal, NOR alone is universal. So now what is NAND? NAND is complement of AND. So this is the AND symbol. Now AND symbol, if you connect with one inverter, so you will get NAND. So A dot B is AND. So if A dot B is passed to one NOT gate, you will get A dot B the whole bar. Okay. So now the symbol of this NAND is AND output is bubbled. Reason is inverted AND. Okay, this is the symbol for NAND. If you write truth table for the NAND, A, B, Y, which is equal to AB the whole bar, complement of AND. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If you take AND logic only for 1, 1, you will get your output as 1 in case of AND. So for 0, 0, AND output is 0, but it is connected to inverter, so output is 1. So output is 1. So complement of AND, since A dot B the whole bar. So if any one of the input is 0, AND will give you the output as 0, but the NAND will give you the output as 1. It's 1, 1. So in case of 1, 1, AND will give you the output as 1, but complement of AND will give you the output as 0. So 1, 1, output is 0. This is called NAND logic. Okay. Now, if you, what is the IC number? Okay. Required for the practical implementation. 7400 is the NAND IC. Okay. So now what is the configuration of this 7400? So this is also a 14-pin IC. 14th pin is connected to VCC. 7th pin is connected to ground. Here pin number 1, pin number 2 is input, pin number 3 is output. So you have to replace the symbol. Okay, for 4 logic gates, OR logic, AND logic, NAND logic, XOR logic, the pin configurations are same. What is that? 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output, then 9, 10 input, 8 output, then 13, 12 input, 11 output. So this configuration is common. Okay, you have to replace the symbol and IC number. So now this is the pin configuration of 7400. If you take practical 7400 IC, internally you can identify 4 NAND gates. Okay. So now for NOR gates, if you take NOR gates, complement of R. So I'm taking R symbol. R symbol is connected to inverter. So now
Sir,
AB, yes sir, yes sir, any doubt sir?
Sir, what is complement, sir? Complement of and what is mean by complement?
Complement of AND is NAND.
Is it the inverse? Is it complement
Inverter,
means?
inverter. Complement is inverter.
Okay, sir.
A complement is equal to A bar. So not of A or not of AB bar.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Complement is inverter, not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now I'm talking about the NOR. So A, that is R, output is connected with NOT, will give you the NOR. So the symbol for this NOR is R, output is bubbled. So AB is the input. So A or B is the output of R. So A or B complement is not of A or B. Okay, which is the output of NOR. So you can say A or B complement, A plus B whole bar, which is equal to the NOR. So if you write two table for this, AB, Y, A or B whole bar, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So now, so for OR logic, if any one of the input is 1, you will get your output as 1 in case of OR. But OR is a complement. Say, let me put 0, 0 here. If 0, 0 is applied, OR will give you the output as 0. But complement, inverter will give you output as 1. So 0, 0 output is 1. So now next one, when you put 0, 1, OR will give you the output as 1 for 0, 1. But complement of 1 becomes 0. So 0, 0, 0 is the output for other possibility. So just opposite of OR. Since you have an inverter or complement at output of the OR. Okay. So this is the truth table of NOR logic gate. So now, so if you take pin configuration for this NOR logic, bit different from other logic gates. I'll tell you what is that. So pin number 14 is VCC, no doubt. Pin number 7 is ground, that is also common. So here, pin number 1 is output. Pin number 1 is output. So pin number 2, pin number 3 is inputs. 2, 3 is your inputs. Similarly, pin number 4 is output. 5, 6 is your input. Just reverse. Again, 8, 9 is your inputs. 10 is your output. Again, 11, 12 is inputs. Pin number 13 is your output. So this is pin configuration of NOR gate. The IC number for this NOR function is 7402. 7402. Yeah, come on, copy this.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. So now, almost 5 logic gates we discussed, and or not NAND NOR. 2 is pending, XOR, XNOR. We'll discuss exclusive or exclusive NOR later. So now we'll go for the NAND and NOR. Since we discussed NAND and NOR now, so we'll discuss universal logic gates. Why this NAND and NOR is universal? Okay. So what is the reason this NAND and NOR is called as universal logic gates? Okay. So the reason is, so if I have only the NAND logic gates, only the NAND gates, or only the NOR gates, I can create whatever I want. Okay. So now I'm going to prove all the logic gates implementation using only NAND alone. So I'm not using some other logic gates. I'm using only the NAND gates, and I'm going to obtain all the logic operations, AND operation, OR operation, XOR, exclusive NOR, everything. Then I can claim that this fellow is universal. For that, I'm going for the proof. Okay. So now, first, to understand this particular topic, NAND implementation or universal logic gates, NAND and NOR, we need to know two important rules. Okay. Before going for the derivation and the proof. So the rules is nothing but De Morgan rules, De Morgan laws. So the first law says additive law, A plus B the whole bar, which is equal to A bar dot B bar. So what is that it says? Sum of complement of two or more variables is equal to complement of product of individual variables. Correct? So if we take the multiplicative rule, so A dot B whole bar, which is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this rule says that is product of complement of two or more variables. Okay, product of complement of two or more variables, which is equal to complement of sum of individual variables. Okay. So now this is applicable for A plus B the whole bar, A plus B plus C the whole bar, A plus B plus C plus D the whole bar. So all alphabets you can join. Okay. And what you have to do is you have to say in the right hand side A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D bar. Okay. So similarly, A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Just remember this. We'll try to go for the topic how this NAND alone is called as universal. Okay. So now for that I'll take NOT implementation using NAND. First, let me try NOT logic gate. So what is the requirement of NOT logic? So if I apply A as input, I have to get A bar as output. So if I obtain this A as input and A bar as output from the NAND logic, I can say that the logic is not correct. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm just taking the NOT gate, sorry, NAND gate. So NAND gate which is having A as input.
Sir, your voice is not hearing.
So we'll give you A, B the whole bar, correct? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, hello. What about now?
Sir, now
Sir,
okay.
it's breaking, sir.
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. So now, so voice is clear, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So now this is the general logic. What is that? When I apply A, B as input, NAND will give you A dot B the whole bar. Correct. Now what I'm doing is I'm just replacing the B with the same variable A. So then I'll get my NAND expression as A into A whole bar. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So now, so A into A, according to the Boolean, so which is equal to A. So now you see here, I'm just connecting two series switches with the variable name A. Okay. So now if I put A is equal to 0, so both the switches are open, correct? So there is no connectivity. So if I put A is equal to 1, both the switches are closed. Are you there? So what I can say is these two switches of a variable, same variable A can be replaced as one switch with A. Correct? Hello?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
correct.
So
Yes,
now
sir, correct.
A into A according to the Boolean which is equal to A. So already complement is there. So becomes A complement. So this is nothing but the NOT. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So now
sir. Not sir.
I'm replacing. Yes, sir. Any doubt, sir? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm just connecting both A and A with single input and saying the NAND symbol is saying input as A, output as A bar. So this is the NOT logic using NAND. So now first logic gate is derived using only NAND, correct? Hello,
Yes, sir.
speak out please.
Yes, sir.
Come on, copy this.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. What are we trying to prove here actually? That NAND is a universal gate?
NAND is a universal gate. So now, see, actually, if I have only the set of NAND gates, I have hundreds
Okay,
of
sir.
NAND gates, 200s of NAND gates, only NAND gates. I
Okay,
can
sir.
make whatever the logic I want.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason this logic gate is called as universal gate. Now, I'm going to prove that the NAND is universal. For that, I'm considering the logic gates first initially. I'm trying to implement all the logic gates NAND, OR, NOT, XOR, exclusive NOR using only NAND. If all the logic gates are
Okay,
implemented
sir.
using only NAND, I can just claim that this fellow is universal.
Yes, sir.
Hello? So that is what I'm trying now.
Hello,
First
yes,
logic
sir.
gate is implemented.
So, sir, same is with NOR also. So, we using NOR also we can make them.
Yes, same way. We actually I'll be solving the NAND based problem. So I'll be giving homework as NOR based problem
Yes.
later. Okay.
Oh,
I'll solve all NAND based problem and I'll give you the information how to solve. So based on that, you have to work out NOR based. Don't worry.
okay.
So now the first logic gate is implemented using only NAND. Now I'm going for the second. Okay. So copy and tell me, my dears.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Oh, thank you. So now I'm going for the second logic gate. So let me take the logic gate OR. So what is my OR logic? So if I apply AB as input, my function is equal to A or B, correct? So if I obtain A or B using only NAND, so I can claim that OR implementation using NAND, correct? So now for that, I'm just taking A variable, connecting to one inverter, NAND based inverter, obtaining A bar. So let me put this file as number 1. Connecting number B variable, passing to another NAND based inverter, number 2, obtaining B bar. So now I am passing A bar and B bar to one more NAND gate, number 3. Now this logic will give you some reason. We have to derive. What is that? Number 3. So now number 3 logic gate takes A bar as first input, B bar as second input, correct? So A bar, B bar, which is connected to the NAND logic, which is number 3. So now NAND logic is A into B, the whole bar, where A is equal to A bar, B is equal to B bar, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So now what I'm doing is, so I'm just solving this. A bar into B bar whole bar is the output of number 3, logic gate number 3. So now if I consider A as A bar, B as B bar, so this expression looks like A dot B the whole bar. So according to the De Morgan, so you can say this expression as A bar plus B bar, where A is equal to A bar, B is equal to B bar. So you'll get A double bar, B double bar. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Oh, so now the double complement will be cancelled, correct? So now I'm just connecting A. So obtaining A bar. So A bar is connected to one more inverter. So finally I'll get A, correct?
Yes, sir.
So A double bar will be cancelled. So finally I'll get my expression as ARB. So now this is OR implementation using only NAND. I'm not using any other logic gates. I'm using only NAND. Correct? So now
Yes,
this
sir.
is second logic gate implementation using only NAND. Quickly copy and tell me, my dears.
Yes, sir. Over, sir.
Okay.
Complete.
So now, yeah, thank you. So I'm going for third. So let me go for the simple implementation and using only NAND. So now, so I need to obtain the expression AB. So if I obtain the expression A dot B, I can claim that the logic is AND. So what I'm doing is I'm taking NAND gate number 1, obtaining A dot B the whole bar, since NAND will give you AB the whole bar. Now passing this AB the whole bar into one inverter, NAND based inverter again. So this will give you AB double bar, correct? So now the double bar is cancelled. So you will get the function as AB. So this is AND implementation using only NAND. Hello, any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, come on. So I'll make OR implementation now. So later you can copy the circuit. So now, sorry, OR implemented already, right? Let me go for the NOR. So already I know what is the OR function. So if I connect A, variable A to one inverter, NAND based inverter, I'll get A bar. Then I'll pass B to NAND based inverter, then I'll get A B bar. So both are connected to one NAND for obtaining ERB. Correct? This is what we proved. Now if I connect ERB into one NAND based inverter number 4, I'll get ERB complement. This logic is nothing but NOR implementation using only NAND. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So up to third logic we derived. Now you are using one inverter at the third gate output. So to get A plus B the whole bar. Okay. Now it is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll start rewriting the exclusive OR circuit once again. Okay. So now I'm taking variable A, connecting to one inverter, obtaining A bar. So now the voice and everything is synchronized, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, my dears. So now I'm passing B and A bar into one exclusive, NAND logic again. So let me give this number as 3 and this number as 1. Okay. So now I'm taking B, passing to one NAND not gate, NAND based not gate. So let me put this number as 2. So I'm obtaining B bar. Okay. So now A B bar is connected to one more NAND gate. See, that is number 4. Okay. So now, number 1 will give you, will take A as input, will deliver A bar as output since this is NAND based inverter. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So
No,
number
sir.
2 takes B as input. So this fellow, number 2 takes B as input. So delivers B bar as output. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So number 3 takes A bar as one variable. That is number 3 takes A bar as first input, B as second input. A bar into B whole bar is the output of number 3 since this is NAND logic. Correct? Hello, come on guys, give me some answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
number
sir.
4 that is fourth NAND gate takes B bar as first input, A bar A as second input. So full complement is the NAND property. B bar A into the whole bar is your number 4. Any doubt?
That's
No,
it.
sir.
So
No,
number
sir.
5.
No.
So number 5 takes A bar into B as first variable, whole bar, B bar into A whole bar as second variable. Since this is applied to NAND logic, so you'll get full complement. A into B the whole bar. Correct? Hello, sir.
Yes, understood.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
So
now,
you
Yes, sir.
haven't drawn the fifth gate, sir. Number 5.
yeah. I'm sorry. So I'm just passing the fifth, 3 and 4 into one and NAND logic. So let me put this number as 5. Thank you very much. So now number 5, I'm assuming A bar into B whole bar as A. B bar into A whole bar as B. Then my expression becomes A into B the whole bar. Correct? Hello?
Sir, could you hello?
Yes.
Sir, could you please assume like A bar, B whole bar, and the other one as X or Y, as X and Y to avoid confusion?
Okay, yeah. Okay, let me put X, let me put Y. Okay. So X and Y. So let me put XY. So if XY the whole bar, according to the De Morgan, which is X bar into Y bar, correct?
Yes.
So now X bar plus Y bar. A into B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, correct? So now I'm just solving this. A bar B double bar plus B bar A double bar. So now this double bar is cancelled. So you'll get your expression as A bar B plus B bar A, which is equal to A exclusive or B. Any doubt? Hello,
Done,
guys. Done.
No, sir,
So now,
nothing.
yes, this is XOR implementation using NAND logic. Please copy this circuit in your notebook quickly.
Sir, how did you get the last one, sir? A plus B from A bar B plus B bar A.
Not A plus B, sir. A XOR. This symbol is, sir, plus circle. Okay, which is equal to symbol of exclusive R. So this is R symbol. R is
Or
different from XOR, my dear.
XOR symbol, sir.
Yeah, this is XOR symbol. Plus circle. Hello.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. That is the symbol for exclusive R. So now let me assume someone read a question. What is regularly you are speaking with me? Let me know your name, please. Since you are the only person interacting with me, so nice to see your questions. My dear, what is your name?
Sir, Sachin, sir.
Sachin ji. Okay, Sachin. So now Sachin is the engineer. Okay. So developed this exclusive OR logic using say 5 logic gates. So assume one logic gate is equal to 1 lakh. So Sachin achieved the design using 5 lakhs. Cost of 5 lakhs. Okay. Let me assume. My dear Sachin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So you designed exclusive OR logic using NAND using 5 lakhs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now one more Gale actually corrected this A, B as X and Y. Can you tell me what is the name?
Sir, what, sir?
No, one girl actually corrected this A, B variable as assumption of X and Y. What's her name, please?
Sir, Abanti Gangopadhyay, first name, sir.
Avanti. Thank you, Avanti. So now I'm giving one design. That design is developed by Avanti. Okay. So now I'll give you the circuit diagram. I want everyone to solve this now and tell me what is the cost of this circuit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I'll same page. I'll draw the circuit here. So now Abanti, she's telling that so 5 logic gate is not required. 5 lakhs is more costly for this design. I'm going to implement this circuit using only 4 logic gate and 4 lakhs is sufficient for me. Okay, that is the answer from the Abanti. So now this is the circuit developed by Abanti. Let me assume. Okay. So now A, B is the input. So number 1 delivers AB whole bar are connected to the. So now I'm just passing this AB the whole bar into one more NAND. So now this is number 2. So again AB bar I'm just connecting to number 3. So now number 3 and 2 and 3 is connected to one more NAND. So let me put this fellow as number 4. Now, is the guarantee. Let me assume. So she is telling that only 4 lakhs is sufficient for implementing exclusive OR. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Now we have to write. I explained you what is 1, what is 2, what is 3, what is 4, what is 5. Similarly, you please try to solve and tell me fourth logic gate expression which is equal to A exclusive or B. Take 2 minutes time and tell me what is happening. Come on.
For this diagram, sir.
Sir, one
Yeah,
second.
second diagram. So Sachin developed with 5 lakhs. Now Abhanti developed the same logic exclusive OR using 4 logic gates. She is telling that 4 lakhs is sufficient for the design. Sachin is telling that 5 lakhs is sufficient required for the design. So now number 1 will give you A, B the whole bar since that is NAND logic, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So number 2, logic gate takes A as one input, AB whole bar as next input. Whole bar is the property of NAND. A into AB whole bar, the whole bar, correct? That is the output of second and NAND logic, correct? Any doubt? So number 3 takes B as first input, AB bar as second input, whole bar is the property. So that is third NAND logic gate. Any doubt? Hello?
No.
No.
Sir, it will
No,
be A
sir.
bar B dot A the whole bar, no, sir.
Sir, take A as one variable, sir. A B whole bar as second variable, sir.
Yes, sir.
B
Yes,
as
sir,
one
that's
variable, A B bar as second variable.
understood, sir. Yes.
So now number 4 is taking A B bar whole bar as first variable, B A B bar whole bar as second variable. So I'm just using one more complement, full complement. So that is NAND, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, is it possible to solve this expression using De Morgan's?
Yes, sir.
1 second.
So, एक minute. How many of you copied this first derivation, 5 logic gate derivation? Hope everyone copied, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
I'll erase this. I'll erase this portion. 1 minute. Okay. So now, number 4, logic gate takes A as first variable, AB bar, second variable, the whole bar, right? This is first variable, B, AB bar, whole bar is the second variable. So full complement is the NAND, since AB, the whole bar is the NAND property. So now this is the expression. Now I want this expression which is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So just use De Morgan rule and prove this. Try, come on guys. So again the assumption is, so let me put X is equal to A B bar whole bar, Y which is equal to B A B bar whole bar. Any doubt? Hello?
Sir, I got A plus B plus 2 AB bar, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Ek minute. Listen here. Listen here. I'm trying now. So now I assumed this AB bar whole bar as X, AB bar whole bar as Y. ठीक है? So now this expression looks like XY the whole bar. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
now this expression, according to the De Morgan, you can mention as X bar plus Y bar. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now I'm rewriting this expression including the variable assumption AB bar whole bar double bar. Correct? Plus
Yes, sir.
AB bar whole bar and one more whole bar. According to De Morgan, this double bar is cancelled. So now your expression is AB whole bar plus AB whole bar. Correct? So now I can write this AB whole bar as again A bar plus B bar. Then again I can write AB whole bar as A bar plus B bar. So now if you multiply this, you'll get A bar plus AB bar plus B A bar
Yes,
plus
sir.
B bar. So now according to the De Morgan, A bar which is equal to 0. Reason is if you apply A is equal to 0, A bar is equal to 1, 0 into 1 is equal to 0. If you assume A is equal to 1, A bar becomes 0. So again your product is, so A into A bar is always 0. So A bar is cancelled, B bar is cancelled. So you'll get your expression as AB bar plus A bar B or B A bar. So this expression which is equal to A exclusive RB. So now the design is implemented using 4 logic gates, 4 lakhs of cost. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
always while making digital circuits, we have to think what is the least possible cases, least possible gates required to implement the circuit. Okay. So the very first one, whatever we tried with 5 logic gates is 100% correct. So we'll give you, all the faculties will give you 100 marks, no doubt. But as an engineer, right, we need to think, is there any way to reduce the hardware? Is there any way to reduce the circuit, logic gates? So if you reduce one logic gate in your circuit diagram, a small circuit diagram, exclusive OR logic gate, so it will reduce thousands of logic gates in your entire integrated circuit, the bulk integrated circuit. Okay, so it reduces the cost of the total silicon, finally cost of the integrated circuit. So always we engineers need to think, so what is the way we can reduce the number of logic gates so that we can reduce the silicon, so that we can save the cost. Okay, so this is the way we need to think always, and we have to design the circuit diagram. That is the reason I tried 2 ways of the circuit diagram, okay, and 2 derivations of exclusive OR logic. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
in
please
the
copy this. Yes,
hello,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, in the second, like in second alternative, we have taken AB whole bar as one logic gate. No.
AB whole bar as one logic gate, correct?
So, sir,
Yeah, that is
like, yeah, so it is, like the entire, if you consider the entire circuit, then there are less logic gates compared to the first one. But
yes,
AB
right.
whole
You are
bar
right.
in itself, AB whole bar in itself consists of 2 logic gates. So that won't count here.
No. Actually, this is one logic gate. See, how many NAND actually required to implement the previous XOR? 5 NAND logic is required, correct?
Yes.
5 NAND logic gates is required to implement the first design, XOR, correct? The previous circuit. Hello, Abanti.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now this same logic, so we implemented using 4 NAND logic gates, correct? So 1 NAND logic gate is reduced compared to the previous design.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, I'll take one more space here. So if you take transistor level circuit diagram of NAND logic, okay. So in case of CMOS, you will be having for your question only, I'm just giving this answer. Okay. So A, B is the two transistor PMOS required, and A, B, two NMOS is required. So this is the NAND logic using CMOS transistor. So one NAND logic gate requires 4 transistor. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, in case of previous case, 5 into 4 transistor, totally 20 transistors are required to implement this circuit, exclusive OR.
Okay,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
So now in this particular second case, so we used 4 NAND gates into 4 transistor, totally 16 transistors are sufficient to implement the same logic.
Yes, sir. Mm.
So what I want to tell you is, see, once the design is given to 2 different teams, let me assume Sachin team and Abhanti team. Okay. So Sachin team is giving the product with 20 transistors. So see, he's telling the cost of the product as 5 lakhs. Now Abhanti team is providing the same design with the same functionality, costing the project as 4 lakhs. So now the customer will always purchase what? The low cost device.
Yes,
Anyway,
sir.
I'm implementing XR with Sachin as well as Abhanti circuits, correct? Now, if I spend only 4 lakhs, I am ready to get the function. Are you there?
Yes, yes.
So this is called area reduction in VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit, right? So we always need to think, is there any way to reduce the hardware? Is there any way to reduce the logic gate, number of logic gates? Okay. So once you achieve small one number of logic gate in your smaller circuits, that will give you big impact on your bigger integrated circuit, million and billion number of gates of circuit. Okay. So that is the reason in the initial stage, whenever we are making a smaller design, we need to think, so what is the way to reduce the hardware? Okay, that for that purpose only, we are studying Boolean rules. Okay, next class, I'll concentrate Boolean rules. We have 26 rules already. All the students studied in your secondary, higher secondary standard, right? So A plus B is equal to B plus A, commutative law, A into B is equal to B into A, commutative, associative, distributive. All the rules helps us to reduce the hardware. Okay.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
discuss later. So now the idea is, so what I want to tell you is, so whenever you are making a design, you keep that in your mind. Area is one of the important parameter. So we need to reduce the area. Okay. So whenever you are representing a design, you please think that, so is it that the design is having less number of gates, less number of transistors. Okay. Then you can claim that yours is good. That's all. Hello.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir. That is what I want to tell you. Okay. So exclusive OR implementation is over in 2 ways. Okay. So now we'll go for exclusive NOR implementation. The next one, the logic gate which detects whenever the same input comes, 0, 0 comes or 1, 1 comes, the logic will tell you the output as true. That is XNOR. Okay. We'll derive NAND based XNOR. Now, come on, take down this circuit diagram derivation quickly. Hello, my dear Sachin.
Yes, sir.
Hello, my dear. Just for example, just for understanding purpose, I used your name. Okay, my dear. So you continuously raise the question so that the session will be more interactive, my dear. Don't mistake me. Okay, just for understanding purpose, I used 2 of the names.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll ask. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Please, we'll go for the next. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, copied or not? Come on, give me some answers so that I can proceed here.
Yes, sir.
Copied, sir. Yes,
Okay, I'll go for the next exclusive NOR logic. Exclusive NOR. So this particular logic will detect whenever the same kind of input comes. Same kind of input comes. Suppose y which is equal to A XNOR B. So this is the symbol of XNOR.
Sir, what gate it uses, sir?
Hello, hello, yes sir.
Which gate does it use, sir? NOR
Which one?
gate, sir.
X, huh?
It uses NOR gate, sir.
XNOR, XNOR, not NOR, XNOR.
Yes,
Exclusive
sir.
NOR.
Okay.
Exclusive NOR. This is NOR.
Okay, sir.
See, when you apply 0, 0, this exclusive NOR logic will tell you the output as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So exclusive OR, the previous example, detects when 0, 1 comes or 1, 0 comes. Whenever the different input comes, XOR will tell you the output as true. Exclusive NOR is completely
Excuse me,
opposite
sir.
of exclusive NOR. Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, we can directly take this as the complement of
You
exclusive
are right,
OR,
you are
right?
right, you are right, you are right, you are right. That is what I want to tell
Yes,
you.
sir.
So now, so this particular logic is complement. See, so yes, A B bar or A bar B plus A B bar complement, which is equal to A bar B, A bar B bar plus AB. A bar B bar plus AB, which is equal to A exclusive NOR B. Okay. So what it says is just opposite of exclusive OR. Opposite of exclusive OR. So now already we have a circuit diagram. So two circuit diagram with us. So A bar, which is connected to, again one more NAND. So we assumed the number as 3. So we obtained A bar B whole bar as output. Then again B bar. So this is number 2. B bar. This is number 4. So B bar into A whole bar is the number 4 output. So number 5 will give you A bar B plus AB bar. This is what we derived now. Now if I connect one inverter here at output of exclusive OR logic, so I'll get, say this is number 6, this is number 5. So exclusive OR logic complement will give you exclusive NOR, which is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Okay. So second circuit, if you take AB whole bar. So let me take A. Number 2, AB whole bar. B into AB whole bar. So this logic is XR. A bar B plus AB bar. This is what we derived. Now if I connect one inverter at output of exclusive OR logic, say number 5 will give you XNOR. A XNOR B. So now this is NAND implementation, okay, of exclusive NOR. Only NAND. Guys, any doubt?
No,
Sir,
Yes. Come on.
sir, this also we can do with one gate less, no? Like for the if we connect
Yes,
NAND
sir.
to that
Same way,
task.
same way. Yeah, previous. Yeah, previous case actually we have this fellow is 60. So 6 logic gates, right? 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
The left hand side circuit is 60, 6 logic gate circuit, and this is 5 logic gate circuit. So 6 into 4, 24 transistor circuit. This is 20 transistor circuit. So always the best suited circuit is this one. Once you are going for a fabrication, right? So you can go for this. So now my explanation portion, 50% of explanation, only the NAND based circuits. Okay, I explained. So now my expectation from your side is you have to solve all the logic gates using only NOR gates. Using only NOR gates. Okay. So that you have to solve in your notebook. So this is the first work I'm just giving. Okay, homework. So NOR based design, NOR based logic gates design. Number 1. So homework number 1. I'll give you the hint. So I have 7 minutes of time. I'll give you
Sir,
the hints.
can
NOR
you
based design.
repeat it,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
Can you repeat it,
So you
sir?
copy the same circuit, or no? You want me to explain exclusive NOR
No, the
or
homework,
what?
sir. The
Homework.
homework.
I'll 8 minutes. You copied this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll go for the new page now. Wait.
Wait a second, sir. Just copying.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, I'm just copying the circuit.
Yeah.
Go back.
So please take it fast. Make it fast. I'll wait here. Once you completed, you please give me. Tell me, man.
So page.
Copy it.
So you have cleared the.
Hello. Now the board is visible, right?
Can you show the chart,
Hello.
please, sir?
So now I'm going for the next one. Okay.
So go to
Homework.
previous page.
So I just went to the previous page only. Now actually that diagram is visible for me. It is not visible for you, or what?
Visible, sir.
Visible.
Yeah. Please. So once you copy it, you tell me. I have 5 minutes so that I can give some information about NOR based design so that you can complete it in your home.
Sir, we are done, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'll go to the new page now. See, the homework is, so I implemented all the logic gates, a NOT logic gate, AND logic, OR logic, NOR logic, XOR logic, NAND logic, sorry, exclusive NOR logic, NAND already, NAND itself is NAND, right? So all the 7 using NAND I implemented, only the NAND logic gates. So I have one more component or one more logic gate, so which is also called as universal. That logic gate is NOR logic gates. Only the NOR logic gates. We can also implement NOT logic, AND logic, OR logic, NOR logic, NAND logic, XOR, XNOR, NOR already is a NOR. So now all the 7 you can implement using only NOR. So now this is your homework. Okay. So anytime I may verify your notebook, please make sure that all your homework is solved in your notebook. Okay, I'll give you the hints also how to implement the NOR based design. So now we know what is the NOR function. So A plus B whole bar, which is equal to the output of NOR logic, correct? So the symbol for NOR is bubbled R. So if you apply AB, you'll get A plus B whole bar. This is the NOR function. So now if I want to implement NOT, let me try 1 or 2. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to connect one A, B. I'm just changing like NAND gate. I'm removing B, connecting second variable also A, passing the variables to NOT gate. So I'll get A plus A whole bar. So A plus A, according to the De Morgan, are Boolean, which is equal to A, so which is nothing but A bar. So this is not using NOR. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, so
Yes,
now
sir.
you tell me quickly what is this? I'm passing A, obtaining A bar, passing in B, NOR based NOT. So A bar, B bar, I'm connecting to one more NOR. Now what is this third output? Come on, anyone guess? A bar is the first input for number 3. B bar is another input for number 3. Plus is the operator whole bar, right? So this you can mention as,
Sir, and
yeah, A double bar dot B double bar.
And
Double bar
gate.
is cancelled. So you'll get your expression as A dot
And-
B. This is AND. Yeah, you are right. This is AND logic using NOR. So what about OR? So I have NOR here. A, B, A plus B the whole bar. So if I want to remove the complement, so using one more inverter, output of A plus B whole bar, so I'll get A plus B double bar. Double bar is cancelled. The expression becomes ARB. This is R using NOR. Hello. So only
Yes, sir.
two you have to derive. Only two you have to derive. Exclusive R, XNOR. So detailed derivation, you have to mention what is the output of number 1 logic gate, number 2 logic gate, number 3 logic gate, number 4 logic gate, number 5 logic gate. Okay. All the different logic gates and its output individually you have to derive and you have to solve in your notebook. This is the work. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'll take attendance quickly. Please wait.